Morning guys, and in front of me is POCO C85, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So at first, enroll settings, then find and select privacy protection. Here enroll special permissions, and now you will notice install unknown apps. Click to enroll and choose the app that you wish to give this permission to, mark allow from the source, and that's it. Okay, now you have also to read this notification. As you can see, install apps from external sources is a highly sensitive permission, so you need to be aware of all risks that comes with it. And if you still want to do it, just mark I'm aware of everything and tap on OK. And just recreate the action for any other app of yours that you wish to give this permission. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.